This presentation explains how the subconstructs of the iPAC framework work and how you can use them in order to measure and evaluate your current use of mobile technologies. In front of you, you can see the iPAC framework triangle, and what we've done here is to disaggregate the three main constructs, and those are now appearing on the left hand side as personalization, authenticity and collaboration. And for each of these main constructs, we've identified 2 or 3 subconstructs. And these are identified as being either weak or strong in a particular practice using mobile technologies. Therefore, we're able to create what we call a binary along a continuum. And so, for example, in the case of agency, which describes how students have choice and freedom to use their mobile device, we can see that there will be 2 binaries. At the weaker end, we call this external, because at the weaker end it means the student has limited or no choice over how they use their mobile device. And at the stronger end, we call it internal, because they have considerable choice over how they use their mobile devices. Now we can do this for each of the other subconstructs. So here we're seeing customization with its 2 binaries. And as this goes on, we see that we form what's called a repertory grid. And this repertory grid allows us to come to some quantitative judgments about how mobile learning is being used. And so what we've done is to develop a number of survey tools, and these survey tools ask a series of questions related to these subconstructs. The user scores the survey from 1 to 5, 1 indicating a weak use of this particular subconstruct and 5 a strong use of this particular subconstruct. The survey then produces an overall score and result, which can be used in a number of different ways, and that's described in a future video tutorial explaining how to use the survey tool. Hence we have here what we call the signature pedagogies of mobile learning.